Finding a job, finding a job vacancy. What's wrong with you, hen, chicken? Finding a job vacancy in a company might be easy, but getting hired for the same job in the company, that might be difficult. And if you're a fresher, then don't ask. Basically, every company will require a candidate who is experienced, or at least who should have a knowledge or a deeper knowledge about the job which he's going to do. So if you are a fresher and don't know how to start or don't know how to perform in an interview, then congratulations, because you have come to the right video. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what are the best methods by which you can impress the interviewer even though if you are a fresher, and how you can get that job just like that even though if you are a fresher. So hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Let's get into the video. Before that, do subscribe. World is full of competition, even for the experienced person. And there are thousands and lakhs of college students who are passing out and want to apply for the job. And in this crowd, how can you stand out and be unique and win this competition and get your job? You need to know these points which I'm going to tell you today. The first point is, do not mention in your resume that you are a fresher. Yeah, you might ask me that this is our first time and it's our responsibility to let the interviewer know that we are freshers. That is a huge mistake which you do, because when the interviewer reads that word that you are a fresher, he might be losing an impression about you and he might just close your file and looking for the next candidate for the job. Now let me make you clear about who the freshers are. For example, if I pass out of the college this year and I'm directly applying my resume for the job for the company without having any past experiences, then I am a fresher. So if you are working as a part-time, even though while you are studying in a college, you are not considered as a fresher. So whenever you give your resume or prepare your resume, never mention that you are a fresher. But there will be certain people who would have already worked as a part-time candidate and they will be confused whether they have to mention that freshers tag in the resume or not. At this time, what you can do is you can connect or meet an HR person, a human resources person, who will be guiding you whether you need to mention that or not. Because when you are asking them, they will be noticing your quality and your qualification, and they will be knowing whether you are suitable for this job or not. And the next point is, do not act like a fresher. Yeah, people when they are going for the first time in the interview, they will think that I am a fresher and I have to act like a fresher. Of course, it's a first time and you might feel a butterflies running in your stomach and you might be so nervous because this is the job which you have dreamed for a long time, and when it's the time to get that job, you should know how to be confident in an interview. And I have made another video where I have told about how you can be confident in an interview. You can check that video out and let me know in the comment section whether that helped you or not. And do like this video also, because that will make me so motivated in making more videos which can help you. You are nervous because you don't know whether you will perform well in an interview. You don't know whether you know all the answers for the questions which they are going to ask. At this time, what you can do is, beforehand, that is before a few months of your interview, you can try doing part-time jobs, because you will develop your confidence by yourself and you can attend the interview in a peaceful way. And the third point is, get rid of this fresher tag from your brain. It's all in your brain. You feel like underconfident inside your brain, and that is the reason why you are underconfident on the outside. So to get rid of this fresher tag, You can start working on a lower paid jobs, and even for no salary you can work, because all you need is the experience. So when you have that little experience, your confidence will be boosted a lot more. And the next point which I would like to suggest you is create your profile or your account in all the job searching websites. You might be knowing only LinkedIn, but that is not the only job searching websites in the world. There are so many other websites such as Como Jobs, Flex Jobs, Monster, Indeed, LinkUp, and LinkedIn. So the benefit of creating your profile or creating your account in all of the other websites or platforms are, you are surrounding yourself with a place where people will be approaching you 24/7. Even in LinkedIn, I logged my own profile long back. I just logged in because I wanted to be in every other social media. But even now, I get a notification, and in that notification, they will tell us that the job is there and there is a vacancy. What I do is I go to their profile, I search, and I check whether that is a qualified one, or whether am I able to work in that place. If yes, then I proceed further. Otherwise, there will be some other notification which will be coming on my phone. So if you surround yourself with a 360-degree angle in this websites, you are creating a path for yourself, and obviously you are a fresher and you will literally get one or the other opportunities from this point which I have said you. And the final point which I would suggest you is be cool as a cucumber. Yeah, just be cool. Do not take much tension over you, and don't be so stressful. If you don't get this job, you will get some other job. So don't think that if you don't get a job in an interview, your life is over and everything around you is over. So the main step which you should take is how to impress the interviewer. If you're able to impress them, your interview will go smooth, and you might even end up in getting your dream job. So when you are giving your interview, you just have to convince them and make them think that you are fit for this job and not someone else. So they just have to stick with their decision that you should be hired and not anyone else. I hope these points would be helpful. If yes, please make sure that you comment down about the things which I have said in this video, because that will make me realize that you have watched this video till the end. I don't care about how many people are clicking this video, but how many people are watching my video till the end. So thank you so much for watching it till the end. Please make sure that you subscribe this channel and like this video also. Thank you so much. Bye.